WordPress tip of the week. This is week number 47. We're going to talk about installing Google Analytics. Okay, I'm going to do this one of two ways. I'm going to assume that either you have a Gmail account, which is Google Mail, or you do not. So the first one I'm going to do is if you do not. So what you do is you go to google.com and you type in sign up for Gmail. And then as the very first link, you click on create your Google account. And then basically you just fill this information out, your name, your username, password, all that stuff. And then you now have a Gmail account. Okay, so what you're going to do is when you go to analytics.google.com, what it'll do is it'll come up right here to your sign in. So let's go ahead and sign in. Okay, so basically when you're here, this is your home page. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go down on the left-hand column and you're going to click on admin. Okay, so now what you do is here's the account section, and then here is the property. The property is the website. The account is like the grouping. So right now I created one called WordPress class sites. Okay, so just to show you what it was for account settings, basically that's where you put in your account name and you run through everything and you click on everything and then you go to save. But I already did that, so it's very simple to do. Alright, so what I did was I came over here to property and I clicked on the down arrow and I went to create new property. And here is where I created my intermediate WordPress step-by-step. Okay, so now let's look at the property settings. Okay, scroll down. Now down here, this is your unique tracking ID. And that is unique to every website and to every user. So no one else has that number. Okay, down here is the URL. And then for industry and category, I put under computers and electronics. And then here is some extra information where you can enable demographics and interest reports. Go ahead and click that on. You can do in-page analytics. We'll go ahead and do that as well. And then we're going to go ahead and click on save. Well, that wraps up this week's WordPress tip of the week. I invite you to like and subscribe to our channel. And until next week, take care. Bye.